guys, welcome back. So today I have a new thing for you guys. So we made a big Lego ball right here. It's ginormous. It's super heavy too. In a normal YouTube video you'd see this. So we made up a bigger version that you can make. And in this video I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay guys, to start out I'm going to show you the sizes of these. So this is a 16 stud long plate. And this one is 7 blocks wide. As you can see right there, it's 7 blocks wide. And then the medium one is more, it's about 11 blocks wide. Yeah, 11 blocks-ish. Yeah, about 11 blocks. And then with the big one, which if I can even get on this camera, just a second. Okay, right here. This big one is like the exact same size as this. 16 blocks. Okay, 16 blocks, like, 16 blocks wide. It's ginormous. And so in this video I'll show you how to make these. This one takes up a lot of pieces, so let's go. Okay guys, to start out, these are all the pieces you'll need. It's really simple. This is just a small one. So this is like times 6 of this right here. So as you can see, I just put this right there. Then you put the 2x2 tile right there on it. Then you'd put these 1x2s right here. And then you'd make this right here, you'd make this 6 times, and then you'd connect them together with one of these right here. Well, I mean 8 of these. Here's a cutaway view of what it should look like on the inside. You'll need 8 of these types of bricks that have some on all sides like I showed you a second ago. And so that's what it should look like on the inside, and then you'd put the rest of the plates on and I'll show you that right now. This is what it looks like when it's done, so just make sure it should look more like this. And now we'll go on to the next one. Okay guys, so these are all the pieces you'll need. So this is the first layer. If you didn't already make it from the pieces, from how many pieces you need, you'll have to times all of these by 6 too, so it's a lot of pieces. So this is the first thing you'll need to do. Just line these up with a 2x8, these 2x6s. And then the next layer should be this. So you'd take 1x4, put it right here, and another 1x4, well, and you put another 1x4 right there, 2x6, right there, so it should look like that so far, and then one more 2x6 right there, and then connect those together. Okay, these are the first 2 layers, got a little bit more layers. You gotta put a 1x2 right there. It's pretty straightforward, I guess. It's not that hard. Then you gotta put this right there. And then 1x2 right there. You got that side. And then next you can just use a 4x4 tile, or you can use 2x4s, I guess, if you had that. Press that on there. So you'll have to scrunch all these pieces down too, because they kind of get not connected that well. And then you put the 2x2 right there. And you make 6 of these, which I know is a lot, but that's how you make the medium-sized cube. Okay guys, so you'll need 12 of these. You don't have to have double sides on like these edges. We just have a ton of them, so we decided to use them. So you only need like studs on 2 sides like this. You need 12 of these things right here. You connect them together like this. It's kind of like the smaller circle that we made. So that's how you do this one, and I'll show you the full circle right now. Okay guys, this is what the finished product should look like. So it should look like this. It's just pretty simple. You just put them all together pretty much, and you use all those pieces, so yeah. So guys, if you've ever wondered if I have actually used official Lego, if you look at this, everything I make is official Lego. I hate off-brands, just so you know. You see Lego. And so yeah, now I'll go on to the big one. Okay guys, so these are all the pieces you'll need. If you've been wondering why these are all different colors, it's actually because it uses so many pieces. All these pieces you see right here, you'll have to get 6 of each. You'll have to times 6 of each of them. So these are all the pieces you'll need. You can pause the video if you need to find all of them. And remember that you need 6 of them, so now we'll start building. Okay guys, so this is the first layer you'll need. You should have already made it from all the parts. And then you need an 8x8 platform with this one. A little bit more confusing. And then you'd put it right here. Very hard to get. Got that. And go. Got these right here. So the almost first layer should look like. And you gotta put these right there. And the 1x4s and 1x6s on. So it's already pretty complicated, so make sure you follow along. This is what it should look like so far. And the next layer should look like this, right here. So you put on these right here. And then you put on both the 1x4s right here. So this layer is pretty simple, as you can see. So, and you can use 8x8 right here too if you want. Okay, next layer should be this right here. So in this layer you go right here and right there, and then right there on there, right there on where the 1x4s go. 1x6s go on both of these edges right there. Pretty complicated, and it's kind of hard to see the white studs. I don't know, my camera's having a hard time focusing. Yeah, but that's it so far, super thick. So guys, this is the next layer you'll need. Pretty straightforward. Gotta put those right there. 1x6s on both ends, and then we'll just do this again. And then for the next layer, these right here, it's a 4x8 right, that goes right on here, right there. And then we got the 1x6s right there, on there. And then we got the 1x4s that go right there, on both ends. Okay, so we're almost done. We got this layer, just pretty much a 6x6 that goes on top right here. And it's getting way simpler. You can use a 4x4 or 2x4s like we have, and then put them on right there. And then last piece right here. And remember that you need to make 6 of these. It's a lot of pieces, so just make sure you know you need 6 of those to make the circle. Okay guys, so this is made a lot like how the medium sized one was made. You just use 1x4s with side pieces on them instead. This is ginormous. Once you see it, it's as big as my hand. Okay guys, this is what the finished ginormous one should look like. It's giant. If you didn't get it, you can just watch the video over again. You can pause the video too. But it's ginormous. It's like, I can't fit my hands over it either. But yeah, it's big. And yeah. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.